Hey, what's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today is an exciting day because we're diving into the incredible features of the recently launched Samsung Galaxy S24 series. If you've just got your hands on one or you're contemplating an upgrade, you're in for a treat. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech updates. All right, let's roll. All right, so the Samsung Galaxy S24 series, including the flagship Galaxy S24 Ultra, officially hit the shelves today, January 31. I've been exploring the device and there are some seriously cool features that I can't wait to share with you. But first things first, make sure your phone is unboxed, logged in, and updated. Once that's done, here are the top features you need to try. Starting with the Galaxy S24's keyboard is a powerhouse. It can translate text into 13 languages, and that's not all. Chat Assist can rework your messages into different styles, taking your communication game next level. It's like having a personal language assistant right in your pocket. Now, let's talk about Galaxy Eye's real-time translation. This feature shines during in-person or call interactions, both in digital voice and text. And the best part, it's processed right on your device for lightning-fast performance. Say goodbye to language barriers. Google has never been more accessible than on the Galaxy S24. Thanks to Circle to Search, you can initiate a search with a simple gesture. It's exclusive to the Galaxy S24 and Pixel 8 lineups, and it's a game changer for quick information retrieval. Are you a note taker? The Galaxy S24's Notes app is not your average note app. Jot down your ideas, and the phone will format and summarize them for you. Plus, if you're into handwritten notes with the S Pen on this S24 Ultra, this feature will tidy up your handwriting and keep things organized. For all you video enthusiasts out there, the Galaxy S24 lets you watch and save videos in up to 120x slow motion, even if you recorded them in standard mode. Just tap and hold on to a video in your gallery app and watch the magic happen. Editing photos got a whole lot smarter. The Galaxy S24's editing interface allows you to move or delete parts of the image, and it automatically fills in the gaps. It's like having a built-in Photoshop on your phone. Now, for all US Pen enthusiasts, the Galaxy S24 Ultra gives you a fully flat 6.8-inch display to work with. No more curved edges to worry about, making the stylus experience even more enjoyable. It's a game changer, especially if you've been a fan of the S Pen on previous models. Last but certainly not least, let's talk gaming. The Galaxy S24, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset coupled with larger vapor chamber cooling systems and ray tracing graphics, delivers an outstanding gaming experience. This is particularly true for the S24 Ultra. So whether you're into casual gaming or hardcore, this S24 has got you covered. And there you have it, folks. The top features to try on your new Samsung Galaxy S24. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which feature you're most excited to try. And of course, stay tuned for more tech goodness on the channel. Until next time, this is WeUkX signing off.